Alrighty, g'day and welcome back. It's Aussie Built Rides. So we're down in Sunny Coast today and we've gone and test ride a couple of bikes. Tommy's on an MT09, I'm on an MT07. They did not have the HO bike available, so this is the Lambs one, but oh my god, who cares? It sounds crazy. Oh, it moves too. So yeah, these are bikes from the dealership. And I'm pretty sure I can feel the front wheel coming off the ground in second. Nah, this thing's cool as. So I haven't decided what I'm getting yet. I know I'm trading the Vulcan in, and I test rode the R1. You saw that one real quick. I didn't know what was going on then, so I just excited. So this is an MT07. Non-Lambs one. I would get the Lambs one though if I got one, and he's been drooling over one of them for a very long time. But they're both fucking cool bikes. So I don't actually know much about these. I just know I wanted to test ride something, get a bit of a different feel, and this is what I sat on. I don't like the idea of an MT09. From what I've heard, they're a bit too much. These are lighter and more friendly and whatnot, but huh?
I haven't gone in the second yet.
Nice. So this one here's got a, what is it, an Acroprovic exhaust on it. Oh my god, it sounds lovely. Hey, you can see that little clutch pops, does pull the wheel up. I like it, eh? I'm pretty sure the HO version I wouldn't be able to crank it straight in second. He's still in first. Oh, this is good. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. That thing sounds weird. It's got like this fluttery noise to it. It's mad. Oh, I don't know what I want to do anymore. Really flicky too. Real smooth. Oh, I do like it. I do like it a lot. Not a fan of these controls though. I don't like this bit, but apart from that, yeah, it's all really cool and really fun. He can't treat his mirrors right. Holy shit! This thing is nothing but mad. I'm quite surprised. I really am. Because this is a learner bike as well. This isn't the high performance one. Oh god. Oh geez, Tommy, come on. Oh, 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 she's a bit squirmy. Yeah, I can see it. He can't get his mirrors good. Something must be loose up here. Doesn't go as fast as I would like it to. I can say that much. But I think the high output one would solve that issue. Apart from that though, this thing's fucking cool. It's up top today. Feels alright to get over. I'm pretty sure the high output one's just got more power up high. So down low, the torque though should be pretty much the same from what I've heard. Good. I can't keep up with him though, there's no way. No way in hell. Damn it, boy! What are you doing to me? The smile on your face, I can see it through the helmet. Oh, how good's that, eh? I need a bit more power. Just a little bit. Another cool thing, obviously you have to be able to do it. That feels so good. Oh wow. Oh god damn. This is a brand new demo bike. I really would like the HO. Like, this is really quite comfy. Oh damn, that was a power wheelie in first. I did not expect that to happen. I should have, but I didn't. Alright, so that concludes the test ride for the MT07. Now, I have to apologise about the next one because here in Australia we've got two different types of licence. At the time I was on my RE licence, which was restricted, so you can only drive what the government deems is appropriate for a learner. And the next bike is an R1. The government does not deem that as acceptable for reasons you could probably understand. So I've been limited to low power bikes up until this point, and the footage from the next test ride is pretty shit because I didn't speak because I was having way too much fun and just overwhelmed with the power of the bike. So that's why I didn't talk too much in the next bit. You will find that I did eventually buy that. And I know you haven't seen a video with this thing yet. Recently after we got it, we broke it and it doesn't run anymore. But I'm waiting on a new carby to get in from the dealership. That and any other footage that we did get riding it, it was too dark and I couldn't use it. But I will make sure that I get this in a video soon. But for now, enjoy the R1. Holy fucking Jesus. Oh wow, this is cool. Holy jeez, it is leaned over though, fucking hell. Sounds good. That mirror's playing up though, it doesn't work. Oh, this makes me happy, but oh wow, I didn't even open the throttle. Alrighty, so this is a 2006 model. Woo! That was at 6th. Holy shit! I've never ridden an unrestricted bike before, and this is truly fucking cool. Holy shit, the braking! Holy shit balls! Oh my god! Holy! I'm not even pushing the thing. Fucking hell! It's loud. It's obnoxious. It's bloody fast. Whew. Oh, that sounds funny. So this one's got a Tomagoni exhaust on it as well, which is loud. But damn, it's good. So yeah, old mate from Yamaha is actually in front of me because I am not legally allowed to ride one of these on my own. I need to have a supervisor, so... Oh yeah. Oh, I'm liking this. I like it a lot. Oh my god, it's nuts! It's absolutely ludicrous! I need one! Alrighty, so we're on the highway back home now, heading back to Gympie from Sunny Coast, which is where those two bikes were located. And I don't know what I want to do. I kind of really want one of them MT07s. They were really cool, but I do feel that I would not be able to get it. So the idea is even though I'm upgrading bike, I'm downgrading in value because I spent 16.5 grand on this bike, which is fucking stupid. I'll never get that return from it, and it is a Lamb's bike. Kind of want to upgrade. I really want to upgrade, but very importantly, I want to stop paying as much as I do for it so I can save money and buy a house. And the MT07s, they're a bit expensive still. So the ones I was looking at were about 8 grand, privately sold, out of state. So which means that I'm probably looking at closer to 10 grand for one in the state from a dealer, which I need to do to be able to trade this in because I'm not going to get what I need from it privately. So I am going to go with the R1. I will buy that one. The crossplane I was going to go and test ride sold literally as I was test riding the flat plane. So the Streamer or the Big Bang, I'm not getting a Big Bang because they sold it, and I can't I did want a Daytona as well, but that was also a little bit expensive. I probably was able to get it down, but it's too far away, and the dealer did not want to pay what I needed for this bike. So the dealer with the R1, they worked with me a little bit, so I can actually get that one. Whereas the Daytona, they didn't. So that wasn't an option for me either. And then by that point, I'm pretty much out of what I was wanting to look at anyway. Except for maybe a ZX10, but I like the newer style on the older one, which are actually in my price range. Road's a bit bumpy. So yeah, when it comes down to it, I'm going to get the R1, and I'll try and do a couple of mods to it. I'll show you what you can do. I'm going to get the Healy bars for it, I know that much, because I've been using it for a commuter bike and a track bike. If I ever do go to the track, there's nothing wrong with me quickly swapping them out. But for now, that's what I'm going to get, and clean it up and make it look all nice and pretty. And a paint job maybe. Yeah. Make it look real pretty. Alright, so that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. I was going to add a bit more in there, but it's starting to get a bit long, so I figure I'm going to end it where it is. And there will be another episode coming shortly, now that I'm finally doing some fucking editing, because I don't do it very well. But that's it for this one. I will catch you in the next episode. The next episode will be riding the R1 and having some fun, and fuck man, it's a cool bike. I love it. It's brilliant, and I will catch you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tag anyone that you might want to see. Thanks for watching with the test rides on those two bikes. I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.